poop on yet. Stop moving.
I can't breathe.
Stop, Mom. You're fine.
Go away.
You're fine. Oh, here comes another seagull.
Okay. You know what now? Time to go away.
Oh, Miguel, I told Miguel to meet us here.
Listen, I don't want to be attacked by birds, okay?
Just look at Mom. Look. Mine. The bird just look at me. The bird just look at me. Mine. Look. Here goes again. Hi, little birdies. Mine.
Hi, Ma.
Wow.
Hi.
The bird make a full nest
Ma,
over there.
is a bird over you? Right, Sinish? It's
Yeah.
over her.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty
Like I can't
much.
breathe.
Can't breathe?
Can't breathe.
Can't breathe.
Can't breathe.
Can't breathe.
Pigeons go away from me.
Yeah. Sina, do you have bird food?
No.
Don't you dare.
Oh, we're having fun today.
Should've bought one when you had the chance.
Well, they were sold out.
Look how pretty it is. Look.
That's
flower.
I have one.
But I want to get a bigger. You have yours?
Yeah, when Boaz bought me, I told her I don't know where she put it.
It's on the
Oh,
floor.
these seagulls are flying over us, so.
This is recyclables. Extra recyclable.
Look at Mom's face.
No, let me take the pill now.
Having fun?
Now with these birds, I'm not.
Why
So
not?
now here's your list.
Okay.
Okay?
Why not, Ma?
Because I'm not.
Why?
Because I'm not.
Why?
Because I'm not.
Oh, there's the birds.
Mine.
Mine.
Look.
Oh,
look,
there's a
look.
seagull on the flagpole.
Where?
They're right there.
We're getting
Because
lost.
on the flagpole. Look up.
Oh, mine. The bird didn't look at me.
Oh, just imagine it lands on Mom's head.
Don't push it.
I would crack up laughing.
Don't push your luck.
I would crack up laughing.
Don't push it. Push it. It will
Come on.
punch you.
Oh.